Now freestyle, the time is now. We are talking about the ultimate dish. Steamed fish and okra, served with turned cornmeal.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Hurrain Freestyle Adventures! What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
Hey freestyle, welcome back to the channel guys, welcome back. Today we are back with a classic, something I haven't eaten in years, and we're talking about some turned cornmeal along with some steamed fish the Hurrain Freestyle way. So we just go into the kitchen and just go see what I go on. Stay tuned. So freestyle, just came back from the store and I get myself some red snapper. So these are what the red snapper look like, guys. The sizes are not too bad, as you can see. And for a box of fish like this, I paid $55. It's quite a good amount of fish. So, as I said before, it's all about some turned cornmeal with some steamed fish. Yes, freestyle. As I said before, the main menu for the day is turned cornmeal. And to go to turned cornmeal, of course, you know, if you go turned cornmeal, you have to go some steamed fish. And we have some fish we're going to steam down with some okra and some pumpkin and the whole vibes. But let's just focus on the turned cornmeal. And you know, say, we're not going to go the boring turned cornmeal. We are going to turn cornmeal, we have a dry gungo peas in it and with coconut milk. Well seasoned up with your scallion and your thyme, your scotch bonnet pepper and the whole work. So guys, just stick and stay. In the meantime, if you are new to the channel, just hit the subscription button. Join the freestyle movement. It's a new channel. We appreciate all the support we can get. So I will now go ahead and start the preparation for my turned cornmeal and steamed fish. So just stay tuned, freestyle. Remember, don't go away. Like, share, comment, subscribe. You know the vibes. Turned cornmeal, steamed fish, the Hurrain Freestyle way, the ultimate. You know the vibes. So right now it's now time for me to go ahead and start the preparation of the fish. Right here I have some vinegar. If you want to get the fish clean up nice and proper. And some of fish, guys, I always trim my fish before I start the seasoning process. So I'm going to cut off the fins so I could rub them up the right way with the season. So freestyle, our fish is now clean and washed, and it's now time for me to go ahead and add the spices. Then we're gonna go ahead and prep our natural season. Then we're gonna start the process of our steamed fish and turned cornmeal. Now right here I have some all-purpose season. Sprinkle my all-purpose all over, and I always make sure that the gut of the fish is well seasoned, because the gut of the fish is the rice part of the fish. So I always make sure I get the season in the gut of the fish. Then over here I have some season to the bone season. A favorite season of mine. It's a mixture of spices, so you want to sprinkle it all over as well. We want to get the fish them seasoned the right way in a freestyle, so you know what I mean? We're talking about finger licking food. So after you sprinkle your season to the bone, sprinkle some black pepper, and again focus on the gut of the fish. I want to try to cut down on the rawness as much as possible. So here you have it. Now after adding your spices, guys, you want to rub them up. And also my fish, guys, you see, I can put my hand in it and rub them up. You know what I mean? Just like when you're seasoning meat or any other thing. Because I cut the fins off. So then I can interact with them the right and proper way, you know what I mean? So all-purpose season, season to the bone and some black pepper You know what I mean? So that's about it for now. I went to the store and I forgot to buy some fish season, but you know what I mean, at the least we have it covered. So right here now, freestyle, here you have it. Give you a close up. Our fish is now completely seasoned. Now I'm gonna leave my fish to sit there for probably like about an hour. In the meantime, I'm gonna start the preparation of the natural season. Stay tuned, guys. So now it's time to start the preparation of our natural season. And right now I have some onion. Get my onion chopped. Also I have some scallion. Get my scallion chopped also. So freestyle right here on my natural season for the steamed fish, but leave the steamed fish for last. Freestyle, we're going to focus on the turned cornmeal, which is the main feature for this video. So the ingredients for my turned cornmeal, guys, I have 2 cans of dry gungo peas, 2 cans of coconut milk, I have scallion, thyme. Right here I have some carrots, and I'm gonna add a scotch bonnet pepper also. Now it's time now for me to go ahead and start the preparation for our turned cornmeal. So freestyle, it's now time now to start the turned cornmeal. So right here on my dry gungo peas, I'm using 2 cans as I showed you before. Two cans of dry gungo peas. And right here on my coconut milk. Coconut milk. 2 cans or so. Get my coconut milk in. So basically, guys, it's almost the same thing as when we're doing rice and peas. Seasoning process is almost the same thing. So add my coconut milk. Then we're going to add some scallion. Wash the scallion. After my scallion, guys, I will just crush them. Just crush my scallion, put it in, and right here I have some thyme, some green thyme that is. Wash the thyme, drop it in. Right there we have some pimento berries. I don't put out this freestyle. So we're gonna wash a few grains of pimento, put it in the pot. Then I'm going to put it on the stove to cook. Then we're going to add our cornmeal. Stay tuned. Freestyle, last and not least, we're going to add some salt. Then also I'm going to add just a small amount of all-purpose season, and then we're going to stir. So we're going to cover the pot, guys, and we're going to allow the peas, the scallion, the thyme, the scotch bonnet pepper to cook down in the coconut milk. Then we're going to add our cornmeal. So just stay tuned, freestyle, we soon come back. You call it one of the ultimate turned cornmeal, the orange freestyle way. You know the vibe. So freestyle, in the meantime and between time, while the peas are going to cook down, now the coconut milk for the turned cornmeal. Over here we have the fish them well seasoned up, and the natural season them, some pumpkin, okra, carrot, onion, thyme, scallion, scotch bonnet pepper, bell pepper. A bag of things are going as a freestyle. So it's now time for me to go ahead and start the preparation of our steamed fish. And you know, guys, it's gonna be a vibe. Steamed fish, turned cornmeal, the orange freestyle way. guys, it not get no better than this. But in the meantime, guys, if you're here for the first time and you haven't tell subscribers yet, just hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. That's each time I upload a video, you'll be notified. I really appreciate the support. So just subscribe to the channel, guys. You know the vibes. Freestyle. So freestyle, we're talking about flavor on top of flavor. Right here from a steamed fish, I'm using coconut oil. So we're gonna put our coconut oil in. Not much. I don't know, we don't want to hold up oil now with gravy, so just a small amount to saute the natural seasoning, and that should be good. So freestyle, as you can see for yourself, it's now time for me to start the sauteing of our natural season for the steamed fish. And as you can see for yourself, guys, nice and colorful. As at freestyle, we cook with love, and love is colorful. So it's now time for me to go ahead and put them in the pot. And as you know, guys, the smells you get from the coconut oil is just a different vibe. So right here, guys, my season is being sauteed. So freestyle, right now it's time for us to add some flavor to the natural season. And right here, guys, I have a Grace fish soup mix. So what means that, guys, I don't want the noodles in it, so I'm going to sieve it out. We're going to sieve it because I don't want the noodles in it. You put it in a strainer and you just do something like this. Freestyle, I want to go normal, you know, guys. I tell you, steamed fish turned cornmeal, it survives. Now after sieving it, guys, you want to stir everything together. You get that extra nice fish flavor from this seasoning right here. Then after which, I'm going to go ahead and add a small amount of all-purpose season. Same thing for my season to the bone spice. We're going to add a small amount in it. After we had those freestyle, we're gonna stir everything together. So by then, it's coming along nice and lovely, guys, as you can see for yourself. Now I'm going to add some water to the pot. Right, we're talking about real authentic steamed fish. We're not talking about the knockoff thing. So now freestyle, the next thing I want to do, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to add a piece of butter. As is right here, guys. Trust me, you could eat this just as it is. Nice and natural. And last but not least, freestyle, it's now time for us to add our fish. And we're talking about some nice snapper fish. We're gonna add our fish in. Nice and lovely, guys. And as you can see in the pot, nice and colorful. And as I always said, guys, at freestyle, we cook with love, and love is colorful. So you know the pot of it colorful. Alright, freestyle, I know the pot look away for the amount of fish we do, but we want to cook food so we can have food for tomorrow as well. So you know the vibes. But we have it. Go ahead and add some of my favorite spice, which is my pimento berries. Then what I'm going to do in our freestyle is put some of the season on top. I want to get some of the natural season on top. So we have the thing I go on the top, I'll have it to go on the bottom. You get what I mean? So freestyle, our pot is now fully seasoned. I'm not gonna cover it, and I'm not gonna just leave my fish to just stay there and steam. So stay tuned. In the meantime, guys, over here we have the coconut milk with the peas well cooking down, and it's about time for me to go ahead and add the cornmeal, guys. So just stay tuned for that, and make sure, guys, you pay attention to this one because I want you to try it and tell me the outcome of it. So stay tuned, guys. Right here I have some carrots. I'm now going to add the carrots to the pot. Stir. Now freestyle, it's time for us to add our cornmeal. So this is the part of it that you want to catch the right way, guys. So as for the cornmeal, guys, you have to stir while you add it to the pot. Make sure you stir while you add it because you don't want it to lump up. So while you add the cornmeal, we're stirring, guys. And as you can see, everything is just falling in place nice and lovely. And let me take out the pepper because we don't want the pepper to burst in it. And then we're going to continue to stir. Now freestyle, after adding our cornmeal, you want to put the stove on low and you want to cover it and leave your cornmeal to take it only the time and steam down. So you know the vibes, freestyle. Turn cornmeal, and as you know, steam fish or rain freestyle way coming along nice and lovely, nice and delicious. Guys, it doesn't get any better than this. So in the meantime, guys, remember to just subscribe to the channel. You know the vibes. We'll soon come back. So freestyle, it's time to check in back on our turn cornmeal, and you want to make sure, guys, from time to time you check in and you give it a stir to make sure that everything, you take out the green thyme, stir and make sure that everything is right. Now freestyle, it's that time. Our steam fish and turn cornmeal is now completed, guys. I'm about to give you a close-up of what is going on in the pot over here. So freestyle, you ready? Here you have it. Steam fish, turn cornmeal in coconut milk and gungo peas. And I must tell you, guys, tasting this meal is to believe it. Nice and delicious, nice and tasty. And as my fish steamed down, guys, the gravy is just a vibe. It smells so good. Steamed fish and okra along with your turn cornmeal in coconut milk and gungo peas. What more could you ask for, freestyle? It survives. Nice and delicious, nice and tasty. And I must tell you, guys, as I said before, to taste it is to believe it. Now freestyle, I'm about to turn off the stove and we're gonna dish out this wonderful meal. And as I thought, guys, the smell of this food is just mouth watering. So with no further ado, let me just turn the stove off, and it's now time for us to dish out this wonderful meal and just dig into it. So just stay tuned, guys. You know the vibes. And in the meantime, guys, you remember what to do. Like, share, comment. If you haven't hit subscribers yet, hit that subscription button. Join the freestyle movement. Turn cornmeal, steam fish, or rain freestyle way. Freestyle, you know the vibes. Now freestyle, the time is now. We are talking about the ultimate dish. Steamed fish and okra. Served with turned cornmeal. And guys, I must tell you, it's just a vibes going on right here. Look at this, nice and delicious. Nice and colorful, guys, and it doesn't get any better than this. A vibe. Nice and delicious freestyle. Nice and lovely. Now freestyle, we're talking about turned cornmeal cooked down with gungo peas and coconut milk. And I must tell you guys, this meal is so delicious. It is so tasty. Not to mention the steamed fish and okra, guys. If you have never tried it before, guys, I want you to go ahead and try it. It's a very healthy meal, a very delicious meal. Let me give you a close up on it one more time before I dig into it. Nice and delicious. Nice and tasty, guys. So until next time, guys, remember to just hit that subscription button. Join the freestyle movement. I appreciate all the support I can get. So until next time, guys, catch you in the next one. Peace out. I'm about to enjoy this wonderful meal. Love and love alone. You know the vibes. Freestyle. Like, share and comment. If you haven't subscribed yet, the subscription button, join the movement. Freestyle.